In this video, I'm going to show you how to cook a delicious and crispy fried chicken leg with crispy fry. It's so easy to make, perfect for a snack or family dish. We'll use simple ingredients, but the result is definitely crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside. So if you want to know the right frying method and tips for the perfect fried chicken, watch the full video. First, slice a calamansi and squeeze to the chicken leg we prepare and mix it. You can see the all ingredients and correct measurements in the description box below. Add ground pepper and mix. Add also a pinced salt to taste and mix it to incorporate the seasoning to the chicken leg. Add half a cup of cornstarch and 2 pieces of egg. Now, add the main ingredient to make it crispy and tastier, our fried chicken leg. Just add half of it and keep the remaining for double coating. Mix it well, don't worry, my hands already wash and clean before doing this. Make sure our chicken will be coated to the breading mix. Let's prepare for double coating breading mix. In a bowl, combine the 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of ground pepper, half of remaining breading mix and salt. Mix it well to combine the all ingredients. Now, let's start for frying. Heated the pan and add cooking oil in low-medium heat. While waiting the right temperature to our cooking oil, let's do the double coating. Put the chicken into the bowl of breading mix, make sure will be coated, and deep into bowl of water and put it back into bowl of beating mix. This is the process to become more crispy and tastier, our fried chicken leg. If you reached this part, please comment where you're coming from so I can see how far this video reaching. Thank you very much to your support. Time to check if they reach the right temperature, the cooking oil. Using the bamboo stick, dip it and check if the bubbles continuously, that right temperature. Now, let's put the chicken to the pan one by one, make sure don't overcrowd the pan. Cook for about 10 to 12 minutes for smallest pieces and 15 to 18 minutes for larger ones, and flipping occasionally until golden brown and crispy. Remove the fried chicken and place it on a wire rack or paper towels to drain the excess oil. Let it rest for a few minutes before serving. Enjoy! Serve with hot rice or potato fries, gravy and your favorite dipping sauce. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my channel for more delicious recipe.